drove from Yellowstone all the way back to Custer, a little past Custer's Hot Springs. We are driving with no spare tire because Jim caught the tire before it blew. It was pretty bad shape. So we're riding on our spare, which is full size, and hopefully tomorrow morning we can find a tire shop open and we can get 2 new tires. Because you don't want to get just 1 new tire in the front. We get 2 new tires. So fingers crossed. We got a hotel. We've been driving since like 7 this morning, like 12 hours, so we're tired. So hopefully, I'll give a little review of the hotel. So, I don't know how to work a key. Oh, it smells clean, I think. Here's the light. Oh, it's cute.
Wow, this is cute.
This is adorable. I haven't stayed.
Nice.
Me and Jim were talking, and we don't think we've ever stayed in a hotel together like this. Was that yours or was it here?
That was mine.
Okay. Let's just take a look. We've had a rough day. I'll show you the front of the building. We got 2 beers. It's cute. It's a little mom pa kind of place. Looks really clean.
Yeah.
Oh, this cute luggage rack. Ooh, dropped my phone. Looks pretty good. Oh, here's the bathroom. Oh my gosh. That is so unusual. Holy crap. That is the most unusual shower I've ever seen.
That is really cool.
Jim hates rain showers.
Yeah.
It makes me feel like I'm drowning in it. I'm like, whoa, but I'll deal with it.
What's really cool though is that plank right there.
Yeah.
If you don't like your feet on the flooring, you can put that plank
That
down.
one right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's really unusual bathroom.
That is very cool.
That's a very unusual bathroom.
I like that.
Very unusual.
I like that.
I like unusual. Never, that's like the most strangest bathroom I've ever seen.
I am unusual.
Okay. So, one night, what the hell is this? Ice bucket. It looks like a popcorn bucket.
It does.
It's 7 o'clock.
A lot of USB plugs.
That is really good compared to the, is that the same kind of hotel? Oh my God, look at this. I mean, we're running all over the place. There's windows that actually open and close. And then look at that.
That is so barn style.
I love that.
Wow.
I really like that.
There's a lot of light in here too. That is very good.
How's this bed feel? It looks like a cheap ass bed, truthfully. Oh, it's a memory foam. No, it's a hard memory foam.
Oh yeah. Oh, it feels so good.
Does it?
Yeah.
You know what? That's kind of cute. I bet you guys wonder what the name is. We'll show it to you in the morning. But we'll see how this goes. It's a long day. It was a very long day.
Clean up and
We gotta clean up and eat something maybe. I don't know. I might even skip dinner. I'm chubby enough I can miss a meal or two. So tired. Okay. I only have 18% battery left. Just cute. Yeah. What is over here? Oh, is that? That's a cool looking house over there. It's a good little stay. The bed was more comfortable than I thought it would be. Here, you take the keys, I'll take the... Here, you give me the keys. And I'll walk the keys over.
might ask them what the tire shop name is again.
I have it on my thing. And it showed it is closed, but today, but thank you, baby. It's a cute little town. Cute little lobby. Family owned and operated. No vacancy. Key drop. At home, but we have to stop at a tire shop. I didn't video it yesterday, but we had to put our spare on, not because we had a flat tire, because we almost had a flat tire. The wires were showing and everything.
Yeah.
Something happened. I don't know. The wind, maybe with the wind, they were driving and trying to stay on the road. Well, it was so we need to go find some tires today, or I guess we won't be going home. We will live in South Dakota forever in our van. I don't know. We shall see. And I wore shorts because I thought I was going to be hot, and now it's really cold. Like, let's hope it warms up. I think it will. Right? Yeah.
I think the high today was supposed to be
70.
Yeah, high.
Oh, jail. So, none of the stores in the small little town had any tires that would fit our van. I have a stuffy head. This is a rough day. So, Walmart, when I looked online, Walmart in Rapid City had some tires, and we are 1 minute away.
It's over there.
Oh, okay. So anyway, they have a tire center, and they had the tires from what I saw online. It's either this one or the other one in town. So I'm feeling very confident now. And they're only like 110 each. So do they charge for putting them on? A little bit?
I don't know. All right.
$217 at Walmart. 2 brand new tires. We're ready to go. And there was no appointments available, but we sweet talked Michael from Automotive, and he got us in early. I was about to buy people's appointments.
Even people that didn't even
people who had no appointments, I was offering to buy an appointment. And people, but we got out of there. He was nice. He was sweet. We got it all done. We're out of here.
Thank you, Michael.
Thank you, Michael. Oh, and all the guys at the Automotive Center.
Yes, thank you.
Jim got a little huffy with them for a second because he was...
I wasn't really huffy. I was just trying to catch him before they got everything finished.
He gets a little scary when he's like a bear. He comes at you, he goes, ah! And then, ah!
I like that analogy.
So, everything's good. We're heading back south. I think we're going to go to Nebraska and see what we're going to do.
That's right.
And I got to change this battery. This wind is exhausting, isn't it?
It is.
Wow.
Especially that drive coming off of that square body Peterbilt.
Oh my gosh. Felt like we were going to take off flying.
I think we did fly a little bit.
So, like, look at it. We're like, the van's a big old mess. We're stopping at another hotel. The weather's crappy.
It's windy.
It's a windy, and it's early. So what are we gonna do? Sit out in the van and sit in the wind? And no. So we're deciding how we like to travel, and all van and all hotels. I don't know anymore. But you're not the only one tired. Okay. It's very windy. Sorry. I hurt.
It's bothersome. Bike wind. Long camping.
It's really windy, yeah. But
For now.
we got clean everything. We're
except for the
clean as can
windshield.
be. We are gonna go look at the
Corn Palace.
Corn Palace, see what they got this year before we start heading south. And we got the most luxurious hotel for tonight. Babies will be made. but many babies have probably been made there. Yes?
Yeah. See? Yeah, they changed it out.
No, it's 2026.
Yeah.
Maybe they're not done yet?
Maybe. It looks like.
Some of it doesn't look done. Let's go
Yeah.
check it out.
Check it out.
Because last year, you need another Corn Palace t-shirt.
I do.
No, you
No, I
don't.
don't. I need another Disney World t-shirt.
Yeah, we need to go to... Oh,
Mine got
do you want to
ruined
go
doing
Disney?
sparking, picking up mulch.
Do you want to go Disney again?
I would love to go to Disney.
Epcot?
Yeah, I love Epcot.
I did too. I want to go to Animal Kingdom next. Okay, this is the side.
That is a little corny.
A little
Not
corny.
crazy corny.
A little corny.
They're working on it.
Let's see. How much else is done, huh?
That's corny.
Oh God, my neck hurts.
This is the backside.
So we're heading down south after this towards home because we're done. We're done. But we're gonna go out again in a week or two. Just gotta get some money together. Corn Palace. Look at us. Guess it's not done yet. Oh, we have to come back next week then.
That's right.
Okay. Oh, look at that's how they're gonna do it. They can see the outline. That's actually kind of cool.
It is cool.
Yellow, yellow, yellow. Red, white, and blue. Red. It's a flag. It's gonna be a U.S. flag. That's what it's gonna be. Oh, that's gonna look pretty.
It's gonna be a flag.
Yeah, and there's a bell.
But